camper, you're going to have your freshwater tank inlet where you put your fresh water in. Just put your hose in, you put your fresh water, or you can connect up your water hose straight to here, and you'll be able to get continuous water while you're at your campsite, if you have that option. So if you ever have a situation where you're not using this, you're using your fresh water tank, you're using your clean water and your fresh water tank, and you turn on your pump inside so you can start being able to use the sink in the bathroom, the sink in the kitchen, and be able to use the toilet. What happens is you come outside, because it's never building up pressure, it's just continuously running, and you're not getting water out from your faucets, and you come out here and you see water gushing out of here. What has happened is that the check valve in here has gone bad. So this is the old one here, and if you look, you can see straight through there. You can never build up pressure inside your tank without the check valve. The check valve allows for water to go in this way, but prevents water from this way from coming out this way. So it's a one-way valve. Here's another one here, and there you can see the check valve in there. All right. And so what you want to do is to just change this out. Simple. You'll just have your 3 screws. There'll be some sealant up in here. Run your flathead screwdriver, butter knife, whatever you have around here to break up the sealant, and then just take out, and well, of course you take out the 3 screws, take it out. Now you may have this type where you just can unscrew it and screw it on another one, or you may have this type here. So there's different types. So you probably want to take it out first, because this was one that we have for another camper we had, so it wouldn't work on this one though. So that is how you would repair that issue. Hopefully this helped you guys out. If so, hit the like button, and definitely hit that subscribe button down there too as well. Right there, that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, because I do have other YouTube videos out there working on my camper that may help you out. Thanks a lot.